it looks so pretty on you. You look like a really big girl.
This is mine. This is mine, Mama.
Yes, that's yours. Can I borrow it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What happened?
What happened? I don't know.
What happened?
Can you fix your hat for me?
Yes.
Nice. Look at Mama. Yeah, beautiful.
I'll see.
Wow, that's quite a smile. That's a big smile.
I'll see it.
Can I see a big smile? What does a sea lion do? What does a snake do? What does a sheep do?
Ba.
What does a cow do?
Moo.
What does a dog do?
Ruff.
What about a cat?
Meow.
What does a bear do? Nah. What about a lion? What about a, let's see, what does a frog do?
Rabbit.
What about, what are we missing, Papa?
What about a mouse?
Mouse. Tweet.
That's close.
Close enough.
What about an owl? What does an owl do?
No. Remember owl? Remember? How do we do owl?
Yes. Now, very good. Hanabu, what did you have for breakfast? And what? And cheese? What did you have for dinner?
Apples.
You just had apples for dinner?
Orange juice. Cheese.
Should we go to Baba's house now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Baba, this one.
Baba brought that one for you, yes. That was Mama's old chair when she was a kid like you. That was Mama's chair. Did you know that, Hannah?